Gonzalez right here, right quick. And I want to share with you my unboxing of my Itovi DNA kit and show you guys how easy it's going to be as we move to the next level of our health and wellness coaching. So as you guys know, I have my certificate in holistic wellness coaching. And so when you get started with our group, you have access to a 90-day wellness plan. You have access to a device called an Itovi, which we can use your body to tell us exactly what vitamins and minerals you are needing at that particular point in time. So we always have you get started with one of our kits that's going to help you, and then we work on detoxing your home, and then we work on thereafter making sure that you have all of the nutrients that you need through whole food supplementation. So this Itovi here is one of the things that we use to help you do that. Now, though, we're going to be able to take that to the next level because we now have the opportunity to purchase an Itovi DNA kit. So this is going to go even deeper and tell us what tendencies based on your genetic code that you would have and what supplements you would definitely need to take on a regular basis in order to get what you need. And additionally, after you get the results in 4 to 6 weeks, they're going to be able to formulate a meal plan based on your genes. So we know that there's always a lot of trends going on. Some people are doing vegan, some people are doing keto, but what if that doesn't actually work for you? I know some people that have tried it on air and then they found by trial and error, well, vegan isn't really working for me and my body, and then they change to something else. Well, this DNA kit is going to help us not have to do trial and error. That's going to tell us what you actually need. In addition to that, it's also going to tell us what type of exercise is going to be best for your body based on your genetic code. So again, some people need a lot of high intensity cardio. Everyone needs to do cardio and everyone needs to do strength training. We know that. But what is the balance for your genetics, for your DNA, what you need? Do you need lots of high intensity cardio and some strength training, or do you just need a lot more strength training and less cardio? So this DNA test is going to be available for purchase and assessment now as part of your wellness plan when we're working through and making sure that you have the right herbs, teas, supplements, and essential oils that your body needs. So just to unbox it and show you how easy it is. So it's very flat. It came just right in the normal mail, has all the info in there. So all you have to do not drink anything for 30 minutes before collecting your DNA. Also, don't chew gum, brush your teeth, or smoke in those 30 minutes. Remove the DNA sample from the envelope and both packages of sterile swabs. There are 2 swabs in each packet. So those are these right here. So then you're going to open the first package of sterile swabs and remove 1 swab, taking care not to touch the polyester tip. Using only 1 swab at a time, insert the swab into your mouth, rubbing the tip back and forth, up and down around inside of one of your cheeks. Rotate the swab as you rub for 30 seconds. To dry, hold the swab in the air and wave it for 60 seconds. After drying, place the swab into the DNA sample envelope. Repeat swabbing and drying process with the other 3 swabs, using 2 swabs per cheek. After all 4 swabs have been used, dried, and placed in the DNA sample envelope, seal the DNA sample envelope. And then I will get my results back in 4 to 6 weeks. So again, when I get my results back, it's going to tell me my genetic dispositions, and then it's going to actually tell me what foods I need to eat and what supplements I would need based on my DNA. So I'm super excited about that. So I will spare you the time of watching me actually do the process, but I just want to share that with you. For those of you that already have decided to get your holistic wellness coaching through our team, that's going to be a new option that you can add on. And I will type to you how you can get one yourself for sure. And again, If you haven't started, then you can reach out to us so you can get started with the team, because that would be your first step. And then after that, we can make sure that once we're able to see each other once again, you can get your normal Itovi scan, and then we can see if you need to upgrade to a DNA kit as well. With that, thank you guys for joining me as usual. I'm going to close it out. Additional things with my day. Have an amazing evening or afternoon, guys. Bye. I'm usually doing these in the evenings. Goodbye, goodbye.